diamonds in my neck, diamonds in my crown. I'm bossy. I'm the first girl to scream on the track. I switched up the beat of the drum. That's right. I brought all the boys to the yard, and that's right. I'm the one that's tattooed on his arm. I'm bossy. I'm the one y'all love to hate. I'm the chick that...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did a closet makeover for my 35th birthday, so I wanted to do a video on it and I hope you all enjoy it. So in the beginning of the video, you can see that our closet is a complete mess. I tried my best to vlog. It is very disorganized. Can you imagine doing laundry, doing 4 loads, 6 loads of laundry, and then having to put them up in this closet? A complete headache. Okay, so I just wanted to do something for myself for my 35th birthday. So usually for my birthday, I either like to, if it's a small birthday, do something simple in the city, go traveling somewhere, and or also go shopping. That's always included. Okay, shopping is always included no matter what the situation is. And my birthday falls on December 21st, so it's usually a lot of sales, like gift sets and things like that. So it's the best time to shop for the next season for me. And if you didn't know, December 21st is the first day of winter. So I also wanted to mention that we did not hire anyone to do this for us. We did this ourselves, and this is my husband in the video, you all. So this was part of my gift as well.
You get all the shoes. I'm going to take this bar away. Okay?
Okay. I hear you, bro.
Who put these type of things in here?
What?
These damn screws like this.
You got the bit for it?
What?
You got the drill bit for it?
Yeah, but it ain't coming out. And this ain't really the right bit for it.
Told you, Mom.
Oh, I know they use a plier to get it out first, I think. Because it's like, I think they pulled it.
Oh, they
You
got
think they
one of
pulled
those
it?
things in there? You think they got one of those things sticking in the wall in the hole? Let me see what this one do.
It looked like you can just unscrew it.
I just tried it, yeah. What you think they're all doing, baby?
It's moving.
Yeah, it's moving, baby.
What if we got a non-electrical one that did it? You know what I'm saying?
Go try it. Go get one out like that.
Hey, Mom.
What am I supposed to think? You ain't did that yet.
No. That's empty.
You gonna take movies with your head looking like that?
Yeah.
Can you
Working.
Can you make your hair look better?
No. I'm working.
Oh, alright.
I will be downsizing some stuff. This is all my scarves.
I got 100 more than you do. You got 100 more scars than she do. Oh.
All right, y'all. So we took out all the nails. We puttied up the walls, let it dry overnight. And then the next day, we started painting. We went with Sherwin-Williams Snowbound. And I'll put the information in the description box below. And I'm telling you here that I am changing these lights. He's up there painting and he was like, are you going to keep the lights? And I'm like, and I already ordered them, girl. Ordered them from Amazon, okay? So yeah, we're doing our touch-up work going into the corners. So we usually do the cutting first when we paint, and then we do the rolling, but we were in a rush. Pretty much a lot of this is going to be covered up, so everything doesn't have to be super perfect, but it did look pretty good when we were finished with it. But we have painted other parts of the house where we really took our time and did it a different way. And we also sand the wall. I didn't get that on video. If you check out my Instagram or TikTok, you might see that in the video where I'm taking this big sander across the wall and I'm just sanding it down. So this is like a day or two later, and I'm just cleaning up everything so we can get it prepared so we can start putting in the closet system. Also, I wanted to mention that I went back and forth whether or not if I wanted to paint this room white or not, that including the ceiling. And I was so happy after we did paint it because the room was brighter. This is a small space. It does not have any windows, and that IKEA AURDAL system I chose is white. So I just thought if I wanted that boutique feel for my 35th birthday, let's go ahead and go all out, and within budget, you know. So I think it was a great option for me to paint this room white. This is the only room white in my house. The other color in my house, it's a builder color in my home, like a desert fawn. That's the name of it. Another tip, if you all purchase a home, go ahead and buy like the big gallon, not the gallon, but the next size up of that color, because these painting companies change paint or change the color codes and get rid of things every 5 years, I believe. All right, girl, we back and we still looking a hot mess, okay? Don't judge me off of this video. But we are starting on his side and we're putting everything in. And then I guess we're gonna go to this side. And we're gonna look into taking 2 of the systems back tomorrow and then picking up some baskets. So yeah, whatever I do, this will probably be a 2-part video. So you'll see us put everything together. Basically, you know, all the systems together. And then we'll create another video of us actually organizing. He not gonna wanna be on video. It'll be me, okay? So you're not gonna wanna be on video, right? Organizing your side. No. Okay, so we're having a hard time finding a stud, even though we found a $50 stud finder off of Amazon. Yeah, we have like 4 holes close to each other, and we're still having a hard time. We're gonna get it done though. We're gonna get it done. It's gonna be rewarding. It's gonna be okay. And I'm thinking we might need little fans up there instead. You know, the fan, them lights that turn into a fan. It's a little hot in here.
He's showing me how to use it. I can't figure this out. It's crazy. I ain't never been so confused in my life.
I know it's like real easy to do, but this is like the only part.
Where the studs are in the wall. The way the houses are built these days is it's got a wooden stud frame every 16 inches, and the stud finder helps us find where that wood is so that we have a more secure place to mount something to the wall.
All right, y'all. So I just wanted to show you all what my side supposed to be like. So the IKEA AURDAL system also allows you not only to hang up clothing within the boxes, but on the outside of the boxes. So on the left hand side, I was supposed to have a left and bottom side, but I completely changed it, and you'll see in the next video. And then as I was modeling or creating the project, I was like going back and forth to IKEA. It's not close to me, but yeah, and I made it my own, and I'm just showing you all different colors. It's in the hole.
But you know what? It was a stud that we ain't have to do that.
I don't know.
Oh, you didn't have to do that.
So we don't have to do the one. It's all right, man. It's gonna be all right.
Just added protection.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Dang. Oh, they're not really lining up. Oh.
some here first, and we'll see. Come on.
I'm a girl.
Oh.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I'm going right.
Going left. That's left.
But it look tighter, right?
Okay, there you go.
Like that?
Yeah, pull it tight. Come on. Pull it tight. There you go.
Yes, sir.
All right, y'all, so right now we are putting in these suspension rails, and they were a headache, and this was the hardest part of the whole thing. In the IKEA instructions, it tells you how many inches, you know, you need to put the suspension rail from the floor. And in one little area we did get it wrong, and I'll show you all how we corrected that. It wasn't on my side, so I really didn't care. Is that bad? I don't care. Anyway, so you can see me here trying to get like content for Instagram and TikTok. Make sure you all follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I post there first before I post here. And I'm trying to make my way back to YouTube and making that my main platform. And also make sure you all subscribe. And that also motivates me, you all liking the video, subscribing, dropping down some comments down below, pushing me back to this platform. And I love YouTube. I watch YouTube videos all the time. I watch it more than cable, Netflix, any other you know, service or streaming service on the TV. So it's like my favorite, but posting here, it takes a lot of work. So you all make sure you all engage, please, and share this video. So anyway, back to the scheduled program. So you put these panels in first, and then you can put the top and bottom, and then that makes it strong and secure, and then those connect at the top. And this is the beginning of it, so it really got easier, and I was like, okay, how about we just lay it down? We got to a point where we just laid it down and we did this part, and it made it so much easier. And then we like hung it instead of trying to do everything, you know, on a ladder and everything. So after you put these pieces on, it becomes like really, you know, strong and secure, like it ain't going nowhere. Okay, this is a common wardrobe option in IKEA. And then you also have the pack system. Now the pack system is really expensive. Like our whole entire cost of the closet is like it's like my husband's side of the closet, and that's way too expensive for what we're going for. And I think this was just enough. If anything, I would like to cover up the holes on the outside, like coming in, you see like the holes. But am I really worried about it? No. I am enjoying it, and I hope you all are enjoying the video. Oh, yeah, I wanted to mention, like, I got all this delivered, y'all, to my door. That was awesome. That they came and brought everything, but yeah, I had to go back to the store and make returns and girl, go back and forth. But it was awesome for them to bring all that to my house, the pieces, and nothing was missing. I really do enjoy working on these kind of projects with my husband. We spent a lot of time together. This day, I remember now, it was a Friday. And we did this all night. Like, we did not sleep at all. We slept until like 7. Yes, it was an all-nighter. Girl, I don't know how we did that. Like, we went to bed at 7 a.m. So we saw the sun set and we saw the sun rise in our bedroom. Ridiculous, right? But we got it done. So you'll see the rest where it's like really easy, really simple. After you see these like white boxes, it doesn't look like much, but you have to make it your own and put your own shelving where you want to, count those holes, put those bars in there. And you'll see me, like, I just placed the hangers in there to see like how they would look, the look I wanted. I wanted everything like, you know, those black hangers. I went with black hangers because I already had those, but I added more to what I had. And see, counting, it's all the counting that you have to do with this. That was a pain. And then I have to do that like over, like I think it was like 9 at the top, 30 in the middle. It was a lot, but you know, it's worth it. You do it once and that's it. And that little blue tape little trick, that's just me. My husband didn't have to do that. That was just me because it kept like messing up. So you can use that little painter's tape trick. The closet looks nothing like this now. Like, I don't even have those little white things at the top. I took those back to IKEA. I hated the way those were sticking out. I seen that on another video on here, and it just didn't work for me, for my liking. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment down below. Make sure you come back and subscribe. See you all next time. Bye.